Latihan soal bahasa Inggris, kelas 9. Soal 1, apa itu recount text? Jawaban, recount text adalah jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yang menceritakan tentang suatu cerita, tindakan, atau kegiatan. Biasanya, recount text menceritakan tentang pengalaman seseorang. Tujuan dari recount text adalah untuk menghibur pembaca, sehingga tidak terdapat konflik dalam teks ini. Selain itu, teks ini juga bertujuan untuk memberikan informasi pada pembaca. Soal 2, sebutkan struktur recount text. Jawaban, 1. Orientation. Menceritakan mengenai latar belakang informasi tentang siapa, di mana, kapan kejadian atau peristiwa terjadi. 2. Events. Menceritakan serangkaian peristiwa yang terjadi sesuai urutan kronologis. 3. Reorientation. Merupakan penutup atau kesimpulan cerita. Untuk menutup suatu cerita, kita bisa memberikan opini kita mengenai cerita tersebut. Soal 3, sebutkan contoh recount text. Jawaban, last September I went to Parry Island for a holiday. I went there with Sarah, Andy, Evelyn, and Yoko. That was my first time to travel there. Our boat depart from Muara-Angke port to the island at 8 a.m. We arrived at Parry Island around 10 a.m. After that, we went to our guest house that we had booked before. Fortunately, our guest house was located near to the port, so we did not have to walk so far. The first thing that we did after the was rent bicycle. It only cost $20 per day. Then we did cycling for a while and had lunch before we decided to go to snorkeling. When we went snorkeling, the fisherman who became our guide brought us to the beach far enough from our guest house. We did snorkeling there. The water was very clear. We could see groups of tiny fish and beautiful coral under the sea. After we did snorkeling for approximately 3 hours, we returned to our guest house. We ended up the first day by getting dinner and took some walks around. On the second day, we woke up so early to watch sunrise. We did not need to go far to watch the sunrise because our guest house was so near to the beach and we could watch the sunrise there. Sunrise on the beach was a beautiful view. we spent long enough time to watch the sunrise, we decided to get breakfast. There was a festival at that time. We went to the festival and had breakfast there. We ate some delicious seafoods. We felt time went too fast that day. We needed to return our guest house because our boat that would bring us home would depart at 10 a.m. In summary, my first trip to Pari Island was so enjoyable. I would like to visit this place again together with my family in another chance.